Welcome back to the channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of leopards, one of the most enigmatic and captivating cats on earth. Prepare to be amazed by their incredible adaptations, hunting prowess, and the challenges they face in wild. Leopards are incredibly adaptable animals, found in a variety of habitats across Africa and parts of Asia, from the savannas of the East Africa to the dense rainforests of the Congo. These big cats thrive in a diverse environments. They are particularly known for their ability to climb trees, often resting on branches to keep an eye on their surroundings. Leopards are easily recognizable by their beautiful spotted coats, which helps them blend into their surroundings. These spots, called rosettes, vary in shape and size depending on the leopard's habitat. Adults typically weigh between 100 to 200 pounds and can measure up to 6.25 feet long, including their tail. As skilled hunters, leopards are solitary and nocturnal, which gives them an advantage while hunting. They primarily feed on medium-sized ungulates such as impalas and gazelles, but their diet can include anything from birds to monkeys. Leopards are known for their stealth, often using their excellent camouflage to stalk their prey before making a quick and powerful leap. Unlike lions, leopards are solitary animals. Males and females come together only during mating season. After a gestation period of about 90 to 105 days, females give birth to 2 to 4 cubs. The mother is solely responsible for raising cubs, teaching them essential survival skills until they can fend for themselves at around 2 years old. Sadly, leopards are currently listed as vulnerable by the IUCN due to the habitat loss, poaching, and a human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Organizations are working to create wildlife corridors and educate local communities about the importance of the preserving leopards. Leopards can run at speeds of up to 36 miles per hour, which is equals to 58 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. They are built for agility and can quickly accelerate to catch prey, making them one of the fastest big cats. However, they can only maintain these speeds for the short distances. Here are some interesting facts about leopards. Their spots are unique like a human fingerprint. Their powerful jaws can crush the skull of their prey. Leopards are truly remarkable creatures, embodying both power and grace. Their survival hangs on our collective efforts to protect their habitats and combat the threats they face. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell for more wildlife adventures.